Hey, this is Lorena, and I wanted to do a video for you on how to do, well, this is what I'm working on now, so this is the video I want to do. Please ignore any chaos behind me. It's just been my life lately, but anyway, we're going to do a tufting video. And the reason I want to do a tufting video is because, you know, that's what I'm working on now, and that's what I want to work on, and that's what has my attention. Okay. Instead of having two skeins of yarn of one thread, I put it all in one shot. I noticed that the pulling on the tufting gun, it's easier, smoother, and once I go through one skein, I go through the whole skein, and they're double. Sometimes they would go, I would go through the skeins unevenly, and then I'd have little tiny skeins, and I'd have to rewind them. But I'm using these beautiful, I bought them at Amazon, little baggies that makes this wonderful little spool. I noticed it holds the skein together better. It doesn't unravel, and I really do like this purchase. You put, and then you put it in, and it becomes a spool like this. Another different thing that I'm doing is I'm using a whole different type of tufting fabric. This is the tufting fabric that is required, but I'm using gray. I really like it. I use burlap and I use monk cloth before, and I tested those out and they work great, but I really do like this one. The block that I created, I wanted the rug to look like this. I had red here and I put this color on the opposite side, but I think it came out beautiful. I am going to do a rug. So these are my block swaps. I had the best time. I'm working on the pattern for it, and I think I want to do a video for it, but I'm also going to do down the line another a rug of this. We'll see how it goes. Okay. Another thing that I'm really happy that I purchased is this beautiful winder. This is an electric winder. I love this thing. It just kind of hooks onto here. I also added this on here to create a little bit better tension. It's just like a paper clip thing that kind of snaps in there. This just winds the thread beautifully, and it was worth the little bit extra money for it than me hand winding it. I think I'm going to get myself a hand winder or another one of these so I could wind to it at the same time. Yeah. Great purchase. I'm glad I bought this. I got all this stuff on Amazon too. I went ahead and I put this on my frame, and then I marked it with a projector. I put this design on the projector, and then I traced it and kind of marked lights and darks and made sure that I had everything kind of in order so I knew where to tuft. I also put this picture on my tufting frame so that I knew what colors and how I wanted to organize everything, so I had a visual. And then I started tufting. I went ahead and I started tufting the dark triangles of the purple on the top. And then I just started tufting all the colors. I think it's neat when you wind all your yarn and make them into cakes. And then you could just tuft away and just tuft and then tuft. And you don't have to stop and restart anymore. black wound. So I need this area. I found a little bit of yarn. Just maybe it'll be enough for that little section. I doubt it, but let's see what we could do and get done. I think there's also another little ball somewhere, like this. We'll see what we can get out of this. I want to finish and not look for yarn tomorrow, but we'll see. I was able to get some of this. I just need that. And I don't have no more yarn at all. But at least I got kind of this, some of it done. I need to go look for yarn tomorrow. But yeah. Beautiful, right? I really do appreciate you, and I love you for watching. And I promise you I have more content coming. I'm trying to recover from Big Ben. Amen. Talk to you later.